Hurkey Creek, located in San Jacinto Mountains in Idyllwild, California.
That's so sick, bro. Hey, P, you looking sharp in that shirt, bro.
Yeah, he went to Red Bull Hard.
Check this bike out right here.
I think like Audi 9.
Got Dylan Stark right here. Dang, bro. And Jesus.
Yeah.
Let's do this, bro.
Let's do it.
Hurkey Creek, Camp 3. And it's pretty amazing so far. No phone service. You can hear the ice breaking. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I'm not too sure what to expect, but we'll see how it goes. I think we're gonna climb for about 3 miles, and then our first down will be somewhere up there, but it's freezing out here. Pretty cold, huh, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. No way.
Cool.
You wanna go behind him?
Huh? Yeah, I'll go behind him. Here we
Okay.
go. Oh, you can't.
Very cool. Let's see if there's some more right here. Some more speed. Some more single track. Not too bad. Not too bad. And then look at this view. You can't beat that view.
Fuck yeah.
Check out that view.
Did you guys get the coyote too?
No, we didn't see it.
It was only you and I because I was on your ass.
Nice, nice.
Dude, this trail is sick. I love it.
Yeah, hey.
Check out that view, bro.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We're just gonna be next to this for the next mile and a half, man.
I love it.
Yeah. Little by
Let's,
little.
This is perfect.
Let's get a picture of this, bro.
And you'll see the bones right now. I'll try to point it out.
What? There's
Yeah.
bones?
Yeah, someone put them on a rock.
No way.
Yeah. Spine. Haha. All right. You guys ready?
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it.
Send it, bro. Wow. That's a real spine, bro. The spine collector. All right. I think it's called.
Scenic, epic,
Gotta really pay
plenty
attention
of
here.
miles, and plenty of climbs.
It's the view that's amazing here.
It's just a natural escape.
The view.
On this adventure, you were guided by Jesus,
Check them out.
aka Food Truck. Big thank you
And they
for
caught
showing
some
us
speed
this
back
track, and a shout out to Dylan and Pete for tagging along. It's a must.
Definitely like
Climbs have some tech, and the
rocks.
flow has a natural feel.
There we go.
Send it, bro!
There's some ticky, chunky, chunky. Very nice. Nice and easy. Send it, bro. Pretty sick, right, Pete? Pretty tech rack flaps ish. Nice and easy. Very nice. So what'd you think so far, man?
That's cool.
Pretty different, right?
Yeah.
Good shit, boys. Good shit.
What we just did, that was super fun.
Nice,
I
nice.
was like fucking smoking down this thing.
You guys good?
Yep. See another section here. Just a rock slab. Very nice tech. There's some tools. This rock is sick. Wow, it's a beast of a rock. Definitely scenic. So scenic. Wow, look at this. Very nice. Cool.
Yeah, you can literally just hold it the entire way.
Go. Take two.
So
The
sick.
line
From the upper view. Comes down. Coming in. Oh yeah. Very nice.
Get my nose on that.
Sick. Hurkey Creek. So scenic. So nice. Can't get over that view though. Just enjoy it. Oh dang. There's no berm there. No berm. It's a little soft here. A little loose. Bro, that looks sick.
Go, the keys go.
Go, 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 go. Oh, yes. Flow it, bro. Just speed. Following Pete. He's going. He's going, bro. He's going the distance. He's going the speed. Very nice, Pete. Very nice.
Right?
That was good. Nice flow, bro.
So,
That was pretty cool.
stop right before the fun
At the
section.
peak.
Yeah. To a half a mile descent.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
There's 3 of them.
Wow.
3 descents. But like I was telling him, like
But it's the missing
100
link,
to
right?
125 feet at the most. Very
Little
cross
climb
country.
down. Little climb down.
Exactly. Like a quarter mile,
Yeah.
0.3 at the most.
That's so cool. Jesus, Dylan. And missing link. This trail seems like it's very fast. Got some good speed. This is really good. No pedaling almost. So good, bro. This one is like running down a drain, but it's much smoother. Getting Simpson Park vibes. Oh, it looks so nice though. It looks so nice. Look at that. Oh, the next one is Rage in the Sage.
Talk to me.
And then Tunnel of Love. That's the trail. That way I can see how it looks. All right. Here we go. It's got flow. Bike is eating some flow. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I can see that. Okay. I can see that. There's another one. Oh yeah. Drop. Drop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sick. So good. So good. Dang. Dang, bro. Flow it, flow it, flow it. Dang, bro. That flow. That flow. And that speed. Coming in hot. Coming in hot, son. That last spurt was so good, man. It was fast, flowy, sandy. It was so good.
We start climbing. We're gonna end up over there where that rock
That was
is
sick, huh?
That was sick.
So, cool.
And we get a little bit of chunk here. More fun in the sun. And these rocks just keep coming. Amazing line. That's an amazing line. Wow. Amazing. That's a really nice section right there.
This is it. This is it. Everything else just flows.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're on one of these trails and everything's cool. It's like, oh yeah, and then there's that one rock waterfall.
No, yeah, nothing crazy. But again,
So,
you can carry a lot of
right
speed
at
on
those
this one.
boulders. I think I'm recording. And if I'm not, that sucks. So spicy. Dang, bro. Some wicked speed. Oh. Ton of love, bro. That fuckered me up a little bit. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Oh. Dang, bro. Oh, nice little sender right there. Comes in quick. Comes in quick, son. Let's go. So sick. Some more tunnel of love. Catch that berm. Ooh. Drop. Sender. Ooh. Yes. Let's go. That was a little wild for a bit. The flow is unreal, bro. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Wow.
So this is the backside of the campsite.
Oh,
Wow.
We're done.
dude, that was sick.
That was
I loved
sick,
it.
huh? Hey, I'm glad you invited us, bro.
No, thank you guys, man.
Yeah, man, you guys setting that up. Oh, it's so worth it. Love
Now
it.
you guys know the trail, so
What's
come
up?
back and hit it. Bring your friends, man.
Right here?
Yeah, just run it through. It's just, it doesn't really do much. It's just like a little extra security.
That's cool.
In case it bounces or something.
Hey, but now you guys know the trail.
Yeah,
you got your
that was
people,
sick.
man.
Yeah,
Bring your
bro.
people out, yeah.
All right. What'd you think, bro?
I loved it. I thought it was so. I thought it was totally worth it. Like you said, not an every weekend thing, but
Once a year, bro.
yeah.
Once a year. The turkey ride. And I like it.